So let's talk about the bullish action we've got going on right now with Shiba Inu, and it is a direct corollary to what I'm seeing in the overall market. So we're going to look at the chart real quickly, as well as look at a real quick piece of content that dives a little bit into technical analysis. Here we go. So the overall market 1.8 coming up nicely, 3.7% up. Remember, I always talk to you guys and show you that you need to look at Bitcoin and Ethereum respectively as well. Got a nice, slow, good bounce up, if you will. Okay, movement upward. So in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin and Ethereum moving up 4.6 and 4.7 respectively. We need to get Ethereum to continue to move towards that $3,000 line, as well as Bitcoin to continue to move towards that $40,000 mark. Both of these are showing resistance levels. Bitcoin showing this next major resistance level at that $40,000 mark, and Ethereum at the about $2,800 mark. Okay, so keep your eye on those respectively. Overall, you can see that the overall market is trending pretty nicely. Shiba Inu itself is we're kind of right there with Ethereum and with Bitcoin as far as percentage gain, moving up about 3.6. And you can see actually it's trading at its high end on this 24-hour period. Okay, kind of a night, a really tight, tight, narrow trading band. Okay, overall last 7 days, continuing to kind of gradually make that move up a little bit, but you can see right here we've really kind of since actually 4 days ago kind of settled into kind of a sideways consolidation with maybe a little bit of a trend line moving up to try to kind of gradually start getting a real minor, movement up. Don't really expect it to continue to do a lot as far as movement up. Like I don't expect any major gains moving up. That's my point. Because I still think, again, it's been an overriding narrative, a theme in all of my videos recently, how the overall market is gradually coming back. Now we still have more information we have to digest this week. We still have the Federal Reserve in play. We still have the Russia-Ukraine situation in play. For the last that I don't know if you're paying attention to that. The last that I saw was that the U.S. is deploying about 8,500 service people to, military to be in the area, and it's just not an overly great situation. Okay, so that's kind of what's going on there. Now, from a price analysis in the last 4 hour, the 4-hour analysis, the latest developments, basically we are showing a bullish trend with volatility decreasing, which I want to make that as a good point, making the crypto's price less vulnerable to volatile change on either extreme. And you can see that in right here. Let me show you real quickly. You can see that in that 7-day chart that we're looking at. You can see there's obviously less volatility. I mean, this move right here was a 2234 down to a 1897. Now that was a fairly big swing relatively, but you can see it rebounded almost immediately. It really just touched that price and then started to move back up as well. Less volatility, not major swings up and down. Okay, so that part of the analysis is showing that. Okay. All right, let me show you real quickly. Appears to be crossing over the moving average curve, making the market bullish. Prices enter the bullish domain with notable signs of further bullish activity. We have taken over the market in the last few hours and can possibly hold their stance. And this kind of to land this plane, if you will. This brings me back to the overall kind of market condition things that I've been talking about. Is that we've got to put together 3, 4, 5 days or more of positive gains here. We're really only in our 36th, maybe 40th hour, give or take, and we just got to continue to string together, some momentum days, if you will. So that's what I got for you. As always, truly appreciate you. Thank you for your support. I'll see you later.